Once upon a time, in a happy jungle, there were two best friends named Jarge the bear and Joyie the rabbit. Jarge was big and strong, and Joyie was small and fast. They loved playing together, chasing butterflies, and laughing a lot. One day, a big fire started in the jungle, and it was very scary. Jarge had an idea to save their animal friends. He carried Joyie on his back, and they bravely went through the fire, showing the other animals the way to safety. When the animals saw Jarge and Joyie being so brave, they got inspired to help too. Everyone worked together and got buckets of water from the nearby river. They threw the water on the fire to make it go away. They were like a big team, all helping each other. The fire slowly got smaller and smaller until it was gone completely. The animals were so happy and relieved that they had saved the jungle. They learned that true friends always stick together and help each other, especially in tough times. Jarge and Joyie showed everyone that even small acts of bravery can make a big difference. From that day on, the jungle was safe, and all the animals lived happily ever after.